Parent communication is really important. Focus makes it easy to send emails to one parent, a group of parents, or all of the parents and guardians of your students. Let me show you how. Start by signing into Focus. Here on your home page, you are looking for the Students tab or the backpack. Click on Print Letters and Send Email. From this screen, you will want to click on the blue Print Email a One-Time Letter button. You will come to this screen. If you've already composed your email in a Word document, you can copy and paste the message in the text box. If not, go ahead and type out your email message first and format as necessary. Next, you can choose your settings. Do you want the email to send out today or at a later date? Do you want to use a school letterhead? Next, you will select your students. You can actually ignore the student box on the left. If you want to select from a list of all your students, select Search All Sections. If not, you'll just be selecting students from the class that's at the top of the page. Next, hit Continue. The final step is to set up the email options and select your students. Select Send Emails. Another box will pop down where you can change the email subject, add another person to the email chain using the CC box. Generally, you only want to CC the first message and send a copy to yourself. Here you can also attach a file like a field trip form or science fair flyer, something like that. Next, choose your recipients. Likely you would choose parents, but you can also choose just to send one copy per family instead of email blasting multiple parents. And it's a good idea to add log entries for each student. This can be seen by administration and lets them know of your parent contact. Finally, choose your students one by one or select all in the top checkbox. Depending on what you chose on the last screen, you might see all of your students here or only one class. Now you're ready to send or preview your emails. If you preview, you can always go back to hit send. So let's hit preview. This is the report you will get when you finish sending or preview your email. You can see your message along with all the email addresses it sent to. And if you scroll to the bottom of the report, you can view a list of parents who did not receive the email. Then you know who to follow up with a printed letter or phone call. So that's how you send parent emails and open the lines of communication in Focus. Please reach out to your PLL if you need any further assistance.